How to install Lightstrip Plus. For this installation, we'll use Lightstrip Plus and the Lightstrip Plus extension. Let's get started. First, measure the surface and make sure it's clean so the light strip sticks easily. If necessary, you can easily extend the light strip by clicking two ends together. You can extend the strip by up to 10 meters. Remove the backing tape from behind the light strip. Be careful not to bend it beyond 90 degrees. Press the strip against the surface and make sure you have good contact. Then, cut the strip to your preferred size. Make sure you only cut on the scissor marks. That's it. Now you can shape light your way and play with 16 million colors. Hue Personal Wireless Lighting. Innovation in you. Philips.